So I have 3 devices in front of me right now, a Motorola, a Samsung, and an iPad. And all 3 of them are locked. I don't have the passwords. I can't get into any of them. Now, if you've ever been in this situation, you know how frustrating it is. You're stuck. And most of the solutions you find online either don't work, or they tell you to contact the original owner, or sign into an account you don't have access to anymore. So today I'm going to show you how I unlocked all 3 of these devices. No passwords, no account access. And I did it with one single tool. The tool is called Dr.Fone by Wondershare. Before we get into it, a quick disclaimer. This method is strictly for devices you own or have legal authorization to unlock. Do not use this to access someone else's device without their permission. That is illegal. Full stop. This video exists to help people get back into their own devices. Nothing else. Now before we get into it, let me quickly show you what this thing actually is. So this is the Dr.Fone interface. It's not just an unlocking tool. It does Android unlocking, iOS unlocking, FRP bypass, My Account removal, data recovery, location changing, WhatsApp transfer. There's a lot here. But today we're focused on unlocking, so let's get into it. Let's start with the Motorola. I'm clicking on Unlock Android screen. The first thing it does is ask you to select your phone brand. And the list is pretty long. Samsung, Motorola, Xiaomi, OnePlus, Oppo, Vivo, Realme. Almost every major Android brand is in here. I'm selecting Motorola and clicking Confirm. Now Dr.Fone gives you a full step-by-step guide right on the screen. You don't have to figure anything out yourself. Just follow along. First step. Connect your phone to the PC with a USB cable. Then press and hold volume down and power at the same time. Keep holding until the phone boots into fast boot mode. So we are in fast boot now. You can see it on the phone screen. Now according to Dr.Fone, the next step is to get into recovery mode from here. Use the volume buttons to navigate in fast boot and select the option to boot into recovery. Now one thing I want to warn you about. When you first land in recovery mode, you might see a screen with an Android robot just lying there on its back. A lot of people think something went wrong at this point. Nothing is wrong. Just press volume up and power together quickly, and the actual recovery menu will appear. Okay, so now we are in the recovery menu. Use the volume buttons to scroll down to wipe data factory reset. Then press the power button to confirm. It will ask you to confirm one more time. Confirm again and let it run. Once the wipe is done, go back to the main recovery menu and select Reboot System Now. And there it is. Dr.Fone shows the confirmation on screen. The Android device is successfully unlocked. The phone is rebooting clean with no lock screen. Now I also want to mention quickly, Dr.Fone handles Google FRP lock removal and My Account lock removal as well. So if you bought a used Android phone and it's asking you to verify a Google account after a reset, or if you have a Xiaomi device stuck on My Account verification, Dr.Fone covers both of those too. Same tool, different module, worth knowing. Alright, now let's move to the iOS. So this is my iPad, and as you can see it is in a completely disabled state, not just a lock screen, fully disabled. It won't accept any input at all. I'm going back into Dr.Fone and this time clicking on Unlock iOS screen. On the next page, click Start. Now it asks you to choose your device type. You have 3 options, iPhone, iPad, or iPod. I'm selecting iPad. Now here's something I want to say before we go further. Everything I'm doing right now works exactly the same on iPhones. Same steps, same process, same tool. So if you're watching this with a locked iPhone, just follow along. It's identical. Okay? Connect your iOS device to the PC using a USB cable. And again, use a good quality cable. A cheap or damaged cable can cause the process to fail or stall, and it's just not worth the headache. Now follow the on-screen instructions to get into recovery mode. Here is the exact button sequence. Press volume up, then quickly press volume down, then press and hold the power button and keep holding it. Don't let go. Hold it until you see the recovery mode screen appear on the device. And there we go. The iPad is now in recovery mode. Now jump back to Dr.Fone. You can see it has automatically detected the iPad model and the current firmware version. It pulled that information on its own. You didn't have to enter anything. Once you confirm the details look correct, hit the Start button. Dr.Fone will now start downloading the firmware for your device. This part is fully automatic. It downloads, it extracts, it verifies. You don't touch anything, just let it run. When it finishes, you will see a screen that says Firmware downloaded successfully. At that point, click the Unlock button. Now Dr.Fone will show you a warning. It will tell you that unlocking will erase all the data on the device. This is expected. This is normal. Don't panic. Just type the confirmation code into the text field and click Unlock. One more important thing. Do not unplug your device while this is running. It will take a few minutes. The device will restart on its own when it's done. Just leave it connected and wait. And that's it. The iPad is unlocked. You can see it right here booting up to the home screen. Fully disabled a few minutes ago. Now it's clean and accessible. Now the best part, Dr.Fone is available for both Windows and Mac. So whatever computer you are sitting in front of right now, it works. No compatibility issues, no extra setup, just download and go. And here is something a lot of people don't realize. You can do this entire process yourself, sitting at home. You do not need to walk into a repair shop. You do not need to hand your phone to a stranger. You do not need to explain your situation to someone you don't know and then pay them whatever they decide to charge you. All of that is completely unnecessary. Download Dr.Fone, follow the exact steps I just showed you, and you are done. The download link is right in the description below. Just click it and get started. Or open Google and search Dr.Fone.